Water's boiling. Oh no, it's not. Fire! Oh my god, it's a fire!
Fire extinguisher. Okay, don't be alarmed.
Save him! CPR!
Stay away from me! Rape!
Ooh, piece of popcorn. Ooh, piece of popcorn. Ooh, piece of popcorn. Ooh, another piece of popcorn. Ooh, a bowl of popcorn. And back to the noodles. It's boiling now.
Yeah, so we're gonna put in our noodles.
We're gonna put in our noodles.
A block of... Okay, drop noodles on the floor, buddy. Put some... Oh, you can't put 3 in there. Are you kidding me?
Yes, you can.
Okay, put another one.
Just put it in there.
One more.
No, it's not gonna work.
Gross looking stuff. It's deep fried No, don't eat the noodles. Deep fried noodles right here.
Yeah, very healthy. Yeah, see, it's not gonna
No, that's
fit.
gonna work. I'm sure it's gonna work.
Comes with sauce.
More sauce. Wait, we have 6 packets. See? Oh, that weird looking sauce. And
Sauce.
And it's comes with veggies. Just saying, we forgot to mention that in our first video.
So we're just gonna put the sauce in this water, even though it's not really going into
Okay, the water's not even going that
Why
high,
the hell
man.
would you do that?
Oh no, let's pour water in after.
That is so stupid.
Yeah, it's kind of not gonna work.
Yeah.
If we fail, oh, there's scorch marks back there.
I don't want my vegetables in this.
Fires are bad. That's a precautionary video.
I don't want
Really?
vegetables in mine. Cool. It's gonna
Fire! Oh my god! Holy crap, you scared. Alright, okay, Kevin.
Like you got some vegetables in the flames.
Yeah, I think I did.
Oh wow.
Whatever.
Veggies.
I don't want veggies.
You have to put them in.
Veggies
Okay,
are
wow,
healthy.
hurry up with the veggies, guys. Cole, can you not open it?
I just opened it.
That looks kind of disgusting.
Yeah, it looks very disgusting. Wow, yum.
Are we supposed to do this?
Yeah. You're a professional cook.
Oh wow, my arm's shaking.
Good thing we're not eating these. Just kidding. These are actually super tasty. You should buy them. What in the hell? What the hell? There we go. But damn veggies.
Now we're gonna wait for our noodles to boil.
That looks
Noodles.
Looks gross, but it's gonna be
We'll
good.
be back.